Tonight, barricades from Manhattan to our nation's capital. All eyes on New York as police prepare for protests if former President Trump is indicted. Good evening, I'm Maurice Dubois.
And I'm Christine Johnson. Today came and went without an arrest, despite Trump's own claim on social media.
We have team coverage for you tonight. Ali Bauman in Lower Manhattan with the police response. But let's begin with Dick Brennan. And Dick, everyone wondering when it's going to happen tonight.
Well, Maurice, that's the question. No one really knows right now. It's just not clear when this could happen. A vote could come as early as tomorrow when the grand jury meets again. But then their next scheduled day is Friday. And even if there is an indictment, it's not clear what the charges would be. Tonight, with supporters outside his Mar-a-Lago estate, Donald Trump was holed up inside, facing possible indictment at any time. In the meantime, spewing on social media. He blasted Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg, insisting he presides over one of the most crime-ridden, violent, and dangerous cities, while also claiming he committed no crime of any kind. Trump's attorney spoke outside court.
He isn't asking for this. He doesn't like it. He doesn't want it. This is something they chose to do.
The question for the grand jury is whether Trump falsified records to hide campaign finance violations in connection with a 2016 payment his former fixer Michael Cohen made to adult film star Stormy Daniels.
It makes no sense. It's desperate. And their key witness is Michael Cohen, and I think that says everything that you need to know.
If you're banking on Michael Cohen being the only witness that Alvin Bragg is relying on, you're not playing these cards right.
Attorney Andrew Lieb says the DA would not go forward if he didn't think he had the goods.
There's been so many people testifying before the grand jury. You would never bring this case relying on Michael Cohen alone. There's going to be documentary evidence, demonstrative evidence, and other witnesses. Otherwise, there's no way he's bringing the case.
They know that we will defeat them.
Trump has used the threat of indictment to fundraise, sending over a dozen emails since Saturday and rallying Republicans to his side, including some of his 2024 rivals.
I think what we know is when you get into political prosecutions like this, it's more about revenge than it is about justice.
Now, the question's been raised whether Trump could still run for president if he's indicted. The answer is yes. In fact, even if someone is convicted or even goes to prison, they could still run for president. 3 people already have. See Eugene Debs and Lyndon LaRouche, among others. It's the law of the land. Christine and Maurice.
All right, Dick, thank you.
Well, local